Are you tired of waiting for the right moment to start a new life abroad? What if I told you that 2025 could be your once-in-a-lifetime chance to get permanent residency in Australia? Faster, easier, and more achievable than ever before. Stay with me, because this golden opportunity might change your life forever. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. If you've been dreaming of starting a better life in Australia, this video could be your turning point. 2025 has opened up amazing new opportunities for permanent residency, and today I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can take advantage of them. So make sure to watch till the end, and if you're serious about your future in Australia, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. Let's get started. First of all, why is 2025 such an important year for Australia immigration? Well, there are a few major changes happening right now. The Australian government has recognized the need for skilled workers more than ever. After the global economic shifts, labor shortages, and international demand for talent, Australia is opening its doors wider than before. This means that there are more chances, more categories, and faster processing for those who qualify. Whether you're a skilled worker, student, or even someone with family in Australia, 2025 could be your year. Let's begin by understanding the current demand. Australia is facing shortages in multiple industries: healthcare, engineering, construction, agriculture, and even trades like electricians and plumbers. These sectors are crying out for skilled migrants. And the good news is that the government is not only increasing the number of PR spots, but they're also prioritizing applicants from these fields. Now, you might be thinking, how do I know if I'm eligible? So let me break it down. The first and most popular path is through the Skilled Migration Program. This includes visas like Subclass 189, 190, and 491. The Subclass 189 visa is for individuals who are not sponsored by an employer, state, or family member. It's completely points-based. If you meet the required score and your occupation is on the skilled occupation list, you can get an invitation to apply for PR. The Subclass 190 visa is similar, but includes state nomination. This means if a state or territory in Australia needs your occupation, they can sponsor you, and that adds extra points to your application. Then there's the 491 visa, which is a regional visa. It's for people willing to live and work in less populated areas of Australia. This visa can also lead to PR, and it's often easier to get because regional areas are in even more need of workers. So, how do you get started? First, check if your occupation is on the skilled occupation list. This list is updated regularly, and in 2025, many new jobs have been added, including roles that were previously not considered. For example, aged care workers, chefs, social workers, and even some customer service roles have started appearing in certain states' nomination lists. Once you confirm your occupation, the next step is to assess your qualifications through the relevant assessing authority. Each profession has its own authority, like Engineers Australia, VetAssess, or medical boards. After your assessment is positive, the next major step is to calculate your points. Points are given for factors like age, education, work experience, English language ability, and more. In 2025, if you're under 35, have a bachelor's degree, 3+ years of work experience, and a good score in IELTS or PTE, you're already in a strong position. Remember, the higher your points, the better your chances of getting invited. One of the best parts of applying in 2025 is the processing time. The government has committed to faster processing for priority occupations. Many applicants are now getting invitations within 2 to 4 months and visa grants within 6 to 8 months. This is a big improvement compared to previous years where people waited over a year. Now let's talk about something that a lot of people miss: state nomination. This can make or break your application. Every state and territory in Australia has its own list of required occupations and criteria. Some states want specific work experience, while others give preference to graduates or people already working in that region. In 2025, states like South Australia, Tasmania, and Western Australia are offering generous nominations, even to offshore applicants. So if you're applying from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, or any other country outside Australia, don't think you're at a disadvantage. In fact, some states are specifically targeting offshore talent because they need workers urgently. They know not everyone can come onshore and study or work first, so they've opened direct pathways. Another major highlight of 2025 is the introduction of the new Skills in Demand visa. This visa is replacing older employer-sponsored visa categories and is designed to be more flexible, with options to switch employers, easier pathways to PR, and faster processing. If you have an Australian employer willing to sponsor you, this could be a shortcut to permanent residency. You may also be wondering about students. Yes, international students still have a strong pathway to PR. Australia has improved post-study work rights, giving graduates more time to find skilled jobs and apply for PR. Plus, many universities are now offering courses that align directly with the skilled occupation list, making it easier for students to transition from study to permanent residency. But here's something very important. Don't wait too long. Immigration policies can change anytime. Today, there's a golden opportunity, but tomorrow it might be different. We've seen in the past how quickly rules can shift, quotas can fill up, and occupations can be removed. 2025 is offering a window that might not stay open for long. I always recommend preparing your documents early. Get your passport updated, take your English tests like IELTS or PT, and start gathering experience letters, degree certificates, and anything else you might need. Even if you're not applying this month, being ready will save you a lot of time when the right opportunity shows up. Some people ask, should I hire a migration agent? It depends. If your case is straightforward, you can do it yourself. But if your case is complicated, like having gaps in employment, non-standard qualifications, or visa refusals in the past, then yes, a registered migration agent can be very helpful. Just make sure they're registered with MARA, the official Australian authority. Now, let's talk about costs. Applying for Australia PR is an investment. You'll pay for skills assessment, English tests, visa fees, medical exams, and police checks. In total, it can cost anywhere between $4,000 to $7,000 Australian dollars depending on your situation. But compared to what you gain, a better quality of life, healthcare, education, and job security, it's worth every dollar. And here's a message for families. Yes, you can include your spouse and children in your PR application. Your spouse can also earn points for you if they meet certain criteria, like good English or having a skill in demand. Australia values families and supports family reunification, so you won't be leaving your loved ones behind. If you're watching this and feeling unsure whether you'll qualify or not, don't lose hope. Sometimes people think they don't qualify just because they heard someone else's story. Everyone's case is different. Your age, background, work experience, and even your region can affect your chances. That's why it's so important to research your options carefully and consider speaking to professionals. In 2025, Australia is not just opening its doors, it's actively inviting people who can contribute to its economy and society. They need builders to build homes, nurses to care for patients, teachers to educate children, and engineers to lead innovation. And they're not just looking for temporary workers. They want permanent residents. They want future Australians. Maybe that's you. Imagine living in a country where your hard work is rewarded, where your children can get free education, where healthcare is accessible, and where diversity is celebrated. That's the life Australia is offering through this PR opportunity. And it's real. Thousands of people are already getting their visas this year. Your turn could be next. Before we wrap up, let me give you some quick tips to increase your chances in 2025. Number 1, improve your English score. Even a small jump from 6.5 to 7 in IELTS can add 10 points to your application. Number 2, get relevant work experience in your field, especially if it's a high-demand occupation. Number 3, apply to regional states. They often have lower requirements and more openings. Number 4, stay updated with official immigration websites and news. And finally, number 5, believe in yourself and stay consistent. I hope this video gave you clarity and motivation. The opportunity is golden, but it's up to you to take the first step. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's thinking about moving to Australia. Every share can change a life. Thanks so much for watching. If you're serious about grabbing this golden opportunity for Australia PR in 2025, don't wait. Start planning and preparing today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends chasing the same dream. Got questions or want to share your story? Leave a comment below. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Let's make 2025 the year you make Australia home. See you in the next video.